If you have one of this style of sensors, here's how to replace the battery. You'll want to open the window to get it away from the other piece. You'll notice it has two sections, and you can easily pop the top piece off of the part that is affixed to the window. Flip it over and you'll see two indentations. This is where you'll use a flathead screwdriver to gently remove the back cover. This reveals the battery compartment on the back side. You'll notice there's an open side to it. You'll slide the battery out of that section. Take your new battery, keeping the plus side aiming up, and slide it back into that slot. Then take it and rejoin it with its front half, remembering this tab at the top fits into the notch on the cover. When it snaps together, it is ready to rejoin the piece on the window.